guys, so yeah, today I'll be installing a Tegiwa carbon fiber intake into my buddy's DC5 Type R. Let's show you what it looks like. So it looks nice. It's Tegiwa one, so it's full carbon fiber. There's the feed for it from the front. That's just like to catch the air. Front with where it sits up top, over where the hood is. It just gets like that, but I'll show you later when I install it. There's some mounts for it as well. Just mount it up. Got a silicone intake pipe, just to replace the factory one that's in there. That should be the breather for the filter as well. Going from there to straight to the rocket cover. And yeah, got some hardware, some washers and bolts. So yeah, that's about it. And I'll just show you what it looks like on the car, the one that he has originally. It's not the original one, but it's the aftermarket Mugen one, but I think he likes the Tegiwa one. So that's the stock intake pipe, aftermarket air box. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna remove this and this, and I'll install the new silicone one and the airbox. I'll see if the airbox can slide under and fit right here. If not, then I'll have to move the strut bar, but hopefully not. I have a feeling I might have to. So yeah, this and I'll remove this and remove this rubber grommet and the plastic ABS, plastic factories. Sweet. So I'll just start removing the brackets for these, for the intake. Just have to remove this cover just so I can get to that. I don't want to crack the carbon fiber. So yeah, I'll be removing this and chucking it into the silicone one, and see if this one might as well. Should be able to, but yeah. Sweet, so I'll be removing the strut bar. So some of them are 40mm bolts, like these ones, these three on the tower, and these two are 12mm bolts, same as those. These are like 12mm all across. Okay, sweet, let's get on the way of removing that. So yeah, that's Mugen airbox. Sweet, so I'll be now starting to strip off any of these clamps and little bits and pieces. I need to move over to this one from the stock intake. So sweet, should be able to just jiggle this one out. Just like that. So this one was actually like that. You could lube it up with some oil or something, but it should be right. Just stick it in just like that. This one in too. That's it. That's the center done. So yeah, I think I might just have to remove this back panel. Looks like it'll be in the way. Check this on, see how it fits.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
So yeah, so GoPro didn't record, so there, that's the scoop we chucked on, carbon fiber one. Just chuck one screw here, on the other side, there's a scoop for the intake. I'll just chuck it open, it catches the air from there. Intake. So that's from the rocky cover, go straight down into the intake for the breather. That's pretty much it. And that's the cold air feed. We just cut out the black ABS plastic over here for the air feed. It sounds good. Let's take a walk around. Some fat tires, RE003s.
What the fuck, you know, we were taking them, mate.